We do not recognize your device Facebook problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Next, tap onto the Play Store application and search for Facebook. As you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the Facebook application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Facebook application and tap on app info. Now as you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear cache. Next, what you can do is tap on the app permissions option over here and then make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here so that you do not have any glitches while using the application on your device. After that, go back and try to launch the Facebook application again, and this might solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.